Okay, hi grade 7. So you're working already on your Wildcat warm-up. Maybe you're doing it a little bit before starting this project and you're all ready to go. We're talking anime.
Yes!
So hopefully you watch some videos. If you're unfamiliar with anime, get a little bit of information about it. I know I have a few experts in grade 7 who are really good anime artists already, know a lot more about it than I do. Maybe you'll join us on Zoom, give us some of your inside information on that. So what I wanted you to do for this project is to just get to practice some of the elements that go together to make anime characters, and that's a good way to start. If you've never drawn anime before, jumping right into a character design can be tricky, but if you just practice some of the parts of the anime, and I'm going to grab a few of my sheets right over here, then it can really be a lot of fun and easy to put the characters together once you have had a little practice. So what I've done for you is created a couple of just worksheets that you can do. And I have a couple of reference sheets here that you can print out or look at from your computer. There's also more on my Pinterest page. And what I'd like you to do is in pencil, just try out some different elements of anime figures and faces in particular, and have some fun with that. So you should have some worksheets. If you don't have worksheets, it's totally okay to use a folded up piece of paper that you might find and just give it a quick couple of folds. If you fold in half and in half and in half again, you'll have the right number of boxes. If you can't print out the worksheet, totally okay. So you could do the same thing on your own paper like this. So you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes on one side and 4 on the other, and you'll be able to do that. You might need to use multiple sheets. But I have my worksheets right here, and I also have my anime sample references to help me. If you didn't get a chance to print these up, you can also go on your computer and just look at the samples. Here's my iPad. I have them right here uploaded from Google Classroom. So either way, whatever helps you with the references. And I also have some on my Pinterest page if you want to use some other references as well. So what I want to do is I want to practice just drawing. I'm using pencil. If you're comfortable using marker, you can, but I think the pencil allows you to erase. I'm always looking for that when I'm practicing something myself, so definitely try that. So I have ears to practice here, and basically I'm just going to look at my ideas and I'm going to try to draw them out. This is a great way to get started with any type of drawing, is to just kind of break it apart into pieces and just give it a practice of just one part at a time. Later on, you'll be able to maybe create your own characters because you'll know how to put the pieces together and how to draw each of the individual parts. And you could go in order here or not. It's up to you. Hair is available, as well as eyes, noses, mouths. You're just going to go ahead and sketch those out. Here's some hair samples and so on. We've got the eyes, mouths, noses, which are really, really simple. That is not a mistake. Noses, less is more, always with noses. And as you know, with anime, the eyes are really key with the anime style. So have fun with that. And last year in grade 6, you may remember doing realistic faces. And with anime, it is highly realistic and detailed, but there's a lot of exaggeration to it. So one of the things you may notice is that the eyes are really big and expressive, and the noses are really small and simplified. And that is one of the things that characterizes what the anime style looks like. There's also some amazing hairstyles that are really fun to draw. So you can try all of those out in your practice work and have fun.